Emfa Emra Badwam so gone by a game park. Smakato say they be trying to see a young so na you say obedi. But when in so paba, when you paba, we are 12 and race 6 there will also be another live draw and so on more. Also bet me extra at the aquacoshim. Now because say on September 17, 2024, Joy News Ekeka and Penford Dua what be named day. I'll quite bet me first bet transform your mind Ghana. Or how ye come and kekefa ye sum awodo ehho kwebet mi anam sa esom so apagya o mayam o man agya na so ye pete nyina ye hia our British Council 17th of September 2024 exactly 6:30 p.m. whenever kasa jwere asi ebi aye Dr. Philip Engman, Dr. Mrs. Yvonne Rienchua Eseku, Ambassador Umar Sanda Ahmed, Lieutenant Colonel retired. Main speaker aye Reverend Dr. Joseph Kofi Enchi. Moderator aye Philip Oseibos, host of Ekosi say on Asempa 94.7 FM. Upe munchire will be afraid 0244 220 427 0244 220 427. This event is powered by Joy News and Joy FM. Multimedia Group Limited say Menkai Enyekui essay. Monfre ye general manager in charge of sales and customer service. Na eka do bia e wo bia mode multimedia Enyekui no. Muntimi sorti emfa emfronum emfa mayen. Etimekon in Slate Industries, Ghana Bar Investment, Modern Initiative Broadcasting Limited, Gilligold Pharmaceuticals, Liberty Industries, Wadis Entertainment, Highlinks Communication Limited, and Afi Edwin's Consult. Timpacho uwo sa ejmemu bia tiampani for now say multimedia pen for some stomada omo emfre the general manager in charge of sales and customer service. Say see normally in komo say be a kana ke chebetimi apekwan be so ayi saka ne nyina e de every hodom. Your election here constituency kaka so china and I launch the 100 days to election 2024 as part of your election coverage no ade ba kwa wo me yesem ye wo sem pempe etako abato so ya na entrobos mu kai see me feel say me kai se no e do. So this year multimedia akabo me say ni dubawa especially akam brand en dubawa akabo me say ensemo amanyofo no ebeka no ye be fact check ye bon say eye nokore eye atro ana we ya ha ye ni na yeka etine say ye ma 3 episodes bi ya obetimi ehunu ensema do bi ampanfo bi eka ya manfo posi ya na bi ye entro e bi ye nokore e bi so na kokwa say ya ha ni na yaka nat e wo dubawa obekamza unse bapa ni so the nat bako dia sa
ya bako mi
okay so omusu na match there ye kwa yesu se twef betimi afa so betimi afa check on our own etimi so me no kasa bi o say na so behwe bedwamu a ye di nkomo no nyina na so me check na me check etu catch ma nyanyo so ma say we do boa duba for environment
yeah that's say duba ba cheche
oh yes o ko ye ne ajo ye ne ajo ali say if he say obike say it's better late than never but e bantam kura bi ankasa propaganda bebre wo ye body politics mo no e bi anka eko so na ye hwede
ene dia Adom ne duba can say ye beko about obremi there all the to social media they all count TV so they all count radio so bia amanyofo no nye careful because Adom 80 dubawa ehwem baby abegina bia abenya platform sell beka sabia no make sure say all the facts no and air to you enti weekend they try me ya nim say amanyoko biggest opposition party omo unveil omo manifesto na dubawa ne Adom for ye need echi so omo ya na before some program no and some choni bi ene honorable Yusif Sulremana ekasai anene kasana munu yehu se honorable Sulremana aka nsem bi na se enya nti ya ju se beere ye behwehwem ye betimi abo ama
sure eti kwekwa ne hwe asemu a odmenya for Yusif eka ye ene ne nokre ene ntro ya egom yeba.
It's only when we do that we are able to export whatever we would have manufactured so that our city will appreciate. And that is the way His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wants to resolve the problem. Today, as I speak to you, food inflation is over 50%. He handed over this country with about 9.6% of food inflation. Today, look at where we are. He is a farmer, he understands farming, and he appreciates how to resolve.
Okay, the member of parliament, ma Anisha, what Bole Mamboi.
Honorable Yusif Sulremana.
Okay, I say.
And some say, okay, say, in print, our Saturday, na food inflation, over 50%.
Yeah.
Dubawani Adom Yeshim.
Okay.
Yeshim, who say, time and all Kasano. The latest document, which was the Ghana Statistical Service for documents, released in July. Now food inflation here 21.5%.
21.5%. So basically, on they almost base at 28.5%. And a count.
The SR and SR man form but TV. Mujina FDBA so Monkano Crane.
It is the fact of the matter after the fact checking here say a young tro and no try and yanokre. And yanokre say as of the Saturday and non essential for Casano. The food inflation at that time was 50%.
No, it wasn't.
And yanokre.
Now food inflation here 21.5%.
21.5%. Okay, here's the next one.
Okay, intino mampani dada Mahama Ekasano.
Okay.
Okasa ye near see need a check kama. Okasana near need a check because about so much here na see a shame na the Obekabia and you say into up or make it claiming the same. Okase all free abamuno na budget deficit, fiscal deficit 6.1%.
Okay.
It's here for bit me.
Here Asma, former President John Dramani Mahama and flag bearer of the NDC, Eddie Tuja, about your fiscal deficit.
They took over from our administration a stabilization fund in which we had accrued $277 million. A Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund with seed money of $270 million. A sinking fund account at the Bank of Ghana with a balance of over $200 million. They inherited a budget that ran a deficit of 6.1% with zero borrowing from the central bank, the Bank of Ghana, zero borrowing. They inherited a stable currency that traded
Mahama. Eti yeshe the fact check no eba say.
Okay, nti Dubai for agency ebehwem.
Okay.
Na yehwe mu no, yehu say before say omo be free aban mu no, omo ye budget projection.
Okay.
Budget projection na ma say deficit be 6.
Okay.
But the actual no, yefa Ghana statistics, yefa budget statement no 2017. Yefa yehwe mu na budget deficit na 8.7%.
Instead of 6.1%.
8.7, and according to budget statement 2017. We any call IMF for document.
Okay.
I'm releasing February 2017.
Okay.
They call IMF for quote 9%.
Okay.
And yes, I for World Bank. I'm saying so. You for World Bank. Next, almost a quote the budget which was 8.7%.
Yeah.
And Omampani kono uja budget deficit of 8.7%.
It were not 6.1%.
No, 8.7%.
Okay, and also results and so I don't know. Say who TV so I want to say eteka na koto force say Mampenda da John Dramani Mahama, flag bearer of the NDC. A small kind say muja budget deficit of 6.1% no. After Dubawa any Adom enhwemu fact check no, HM say enye nokore. Enye sa enana eti. Okay, here's your last one for the day.
Okay, before say we call last one.
Yeah.
So person can kind the two joining in ya boano betime hu Adom FM adomonline.com.
Okay.
And yes also betime call ghana.dubawa.org. Okay. Report ni nyina egu honom. Ya hihye bibia kama. Documents e PK figures ni ya film no e ho honom ya hyperlink ni nyina. Etuko abehu bibia honom. Na third one no kwesiade etwam.
Okay.
Nim say Mampanya Bedeche, Baumia, Asia, and Central for.
Okay.
Until Shia or Monona, so we need the che. Even though any or Bani need the che because if you say they all can be a bear
factual. Okay.
And see, Yashanani who said Mampany say in 2016, in the midst of doom, Sonny and Hong Kong, industrial sector and collapse. Claim no. for betimi aboama.
Okay. So you share Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the media encounter ye won krahanom no ka say 2016 no na industrial sector no egokura tiasma Dr. Bawumia ekai
92.9%. And of course, industry growth had collapsed because of doomsday. 92.9%. And of course, industry growth had collapsed because of doomsday. 92.9%.
Okay, 80 Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and so dear and fact checking the results you're saying.
Okay, fact checking the results near a bit misleading.
Misleading.
Yes,
and your force.
And your force.
And you're true.
Misleading. Because document back which say as at 2016 na industrial sector na running at minus 0.5%.
Okay.
But Ghana Statistical Service for a rebasing.
Okay.
A release document in April 2020. Now in April 2020 document no, much raw say industrial sector no grow by 4.3%.
Okay.
Until na expect to say all bekasa in 2024 na dear.
Okay.
I was thinking of updated
report
figures no.
Yeah.
GSS Ghana Statistical Service for a releasing in April 2020 no. I was thinking of no na ofa no I was a document no much raw say industrial sector it grow by 4.3%.
Okay. Do nenye appreciable. And also say na egu.
Nengu.
It is Dr. Bawumia small kind no o ha ni.
Na misleading.
Okay.
Misleading. It's here shame na say I no see misleading.
It is fear about trade issues based, not just issue. Factual.
Yes.
Factual.
Yes.
Can send here factual. Because Adom ne dubawa ake to my power no die. Utwa to eba become obi en. We nya fe ne be krokro. Ese eye too away from the truth there. We utwa to. Aha onu aka aha onu aka. No kra, no kra. Ye kan ye na ehwem ne hu se no kra, no kra. Eye ntro na utwa ye be catch to plane. So panyo kan oboa. Kontompo wadada Ghana fo. Wa ha woni so na kan so ye be catch say we are kind of woni. And I cannot my idea. And
today, catcher manus for new be able post and abunya platform behind say, ye kwa about me, yen pese and I die be a influence elections no. Ye pese audiences have the fact on the tuaba. Now it's here for say beka chairman say the obehu e social media, the obeti radio so the obe show TV so biano. Fane say enya no kre. Ya onhwehwe mu. Ehu say ampa. Na ye saso ka se muhu bibisa na se eyemu na mbetim de ama adomfo de be ma dubawa ne ayen hwehwe mu Tuesdays ne Thursdays ye de be no
and as America senyame adma from the 13th to 15th September ye nyina ye share abm the Habitat Fair Joy Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair eba so abm etibra na bepe eda ho de mapapa bepe efi papa ne bo ewo fom to one aso asne ebi Elegant Homes Safety and Home Solutions G&J Technical Services Deftraco Woodlands DPS Pipes Homeward Building Supplies Global Lighting Superlock Everlast UPVC Windows and Doors Syntex Tank Lex Furniture Fortune Limited Build Free Solar Hybrid Air Conditions DBS Roofing Industry Virtual Security Yobent Security Doors Clifton Homes Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair Get a house, get a home. Medidi akwesi isi amaka so china anapa yebesanso ede ahia on Adom TV.